A good day. Today we're going to mix secondary colors using the primary colors. We have the primary colors here. We have the blue, the red, and the yellow. Now we're going to mix colors to create secondary colors. First, we're going to create secondary colors by mixing red and yellow. Okay. Now we have orange color. Going to use another brush. This time I'll be using yellow and blue. So when we mix yellow and red, we produce orange color. Next, we put aside the red. We will use the yellow and the blue. What do you think is the color that will come up if we're going to mix blue and yellow? Okay, we will take same amount of yellow here. Next, we will take a little of blue, just very little. You see this one here? Just so little. Then we mix so much mixture. Okay, now we have the green here. Okay. So when we mix blue and yellow together, we come up with a secondary color called green color over here. We have now the green, red, and blue. What do you think will come out if we're going to mix red and blue? Okay, we will see. Okay, red, then a little of blue. Just a little. Okay, we have the purple color. We have the purple color. So the blue plus red will produce purple color. So after preparing our paint, we now start our design. Okay, for a kid like you love to paint orange fruit. It's just round. Now when you sketch, don't make it so dark, but in my case you have to darken it so that you can see better our design. Okay, we have an orange. Now for our purple, we're going to paint a gray. Just make a circle, small circle, another circle. Just take another one, another small one, another small one here, like that. Just draw at the back, another one here, and another one. So it's just small circle from one circle to the other. Then we're going to add a little leaves. And just small vine. Okay, next for our green fruit, we will be making a green mango, just like that. Then we put a little here. So we have our orange, we have our mango, and we have our grapes here. The color. Use the brush. Now, when we paint class, using poster paint, we just need a little of water. Just dip your brush a little in water and brush. If the paint is not gliding so good, make sure when you apply the paint, you just glide it like this. And done with the orange. Next, we go to the grapes. It's just so easy. Just paint it all. Next, we come to the green mango. Okay. Next, we paint this part here. We paint the leaves. I'm using the flat brush. I will just use the tip of the. Okay. Now we will wait for the paint to dry before we will outline it. Okay, so we have our design. We will dry our work for a while before we will outline our work. After the work is dry, we use the color pencil, a black color pencil, to outline our drawing. We will start with orange. Put a little shading. Orange has a bit of texture like this here. We will learn how to shade our work and outline our work when we come to the topic about painting, how to create a design using secondary colors. So we have the secondary color green, orange, and we put a little shading while we outline. There. Then we can also put a little shading below here. Just a little shade below. Now we're done with our secondary design. Okay. we end here. See you next time, class.